Hey, my name is Rebecca Stoker, and I'm just reporting on this semester's discussion and different technologies that we've explored. So, first question: what do I admire about the Savior as he teaches? The Savior, as he teaches, he really knows the people that he teaches, and he uses experience to help them personalize the message that he gives. In order to do that, he uses a variety of modalities and he uses stories. I liked how in this class how we had a variety of tools that we could choose from to master, suited to our skill set and what we see as important to our classroom. I have learned. How has what you learned in this class help you teach more like him? So I really appreciated how Kay did a great job of modeling the different platforms that we could use to reach a lot of people in a small amount of effort. Whenever we had our Zoom classes that we attended, that was always convenient for me, and the little discussions that we had together, that was helpful, as well as the workshops that he did in person and online, as long as the tutorials. I just felt like it could be on our own time, and that's something I want to incorporate into my own teaching, is create a basis where people can feel like it's attainable and they can learn things at their own pace in their own time. In this class, I've also realized the capacity of media and how that interactive, transforming experience can be created through technology. It's a lot of visual and audio learning, but I feel like that is where education is going. And I feel like I've really caught the vision of that, and I'm interested in teaching in a more integrated school setting. One technology I'm most excited about to use in my class is I really liked building our websites and building instructional videos, as well as podcasting. I plan on using those things as a way to connect to the students, as well as the students to connect with me. I feel like with technology that the academic knowledge that we're creating is not the only form of knowledge that there'll be a demand for in the more millennial day. Even now, I have friends and my nieces and nephews in school. They're learning like business things or coding things. Their engineering classes and technology classes a lot more professional than when I was in school. And I feel like these opportunities, especially through reaching students through instructional videos, tutorials, and podcasting, are ways that they can communicate with me where they're at and what their interests are, and we can have them set goals for themselves that they don't have to wait to attain because of the traditional systematic classroom setting.